Now we are going to solve the question from our book, exercise 1. Find the gradients of the joining lines joining A and B. There are two options you can see on the screen. This is page 187. Now first, to solve the question, let's put our points on our Cartesian plane. Now just point A. As you see that now I'm using GeoGebra, and you can see the link here, the URL, the page, the name. Just you can directly enter this page and draw these figures. Later on I will save my drawings, and also I will share my drawings with you, then you can easily use it. Let's begin. Let's start. Now just point A, let's put point A -1, 2. It means you are going to move 1 to the left and 2 to the up. That's the point. Then minus B is 3 to the right and 2 to the down. That's what I mean. That's the point. And let's draw our line. Let's draw our line. Here will be our line. Let's find the slope of this line. To get the slope of the line, as you remember from yesterday, we talked about change of rate. Rise over run. I hope everybody can remember the rise over run. That's very important case. You need to remember rise over run. Now, when we look at here, between these 2 points, you need to get the change. I'm just making it bigger for you to see. You need to get the change in x-axis, and you need to get the change in y-axis. That's very important. Now, that's very important. What's our change? Now we are moving A to B. Now we need to get first rise. When we look at from here, if you want to go to B, then you have to move down 4. Then otherwise, for you to move from here to B, then you have to draw like this. Then this is your rate of change. A to C is your rise, C to B is your run. When we talk about rise over run, what's your rise here? 1, 2, 3, 4. What's your run? 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 4 over 4 you may think, but don't forget, when you are moving from A to B, you are going down. Because of that reason, we should name it, we should talk it as -4. Means -4 over 4, which will be -1. Our slope here will be -1. Then let's continue for the next part. The second question. Just here is the first. Yeah. Now for the second one, you are going to have, choose our points. 0, -1 means x component will be 0, y component will be -1, which means that's our point C. They will be 4 and 1. Where is 4 and 1? 4, x should be 4, y should be 1. Here is the point. Now let's draw our line. Yeah, from here. Then we are going to draw a line. Yeah, that will be our line. Now just let's change the color of our lines. Then it will be better for us. Yeah, let's talk about the red one. Now, sorry. Now, as you see that now we are going to find the change of rate in this one. Now, again, we need to consider the same thing. Rise over run from C to D. The rise over run. Rise means this is your rise from here to here. This is 2. And another case, yeah, your run from here to here, which is 4. Means the rise is 2, run is 4. Both of them is positive. Both of them is increasing. Means 2 over 4, which the slope for this line is 1 over 2. The first one is -4 over 4, which is -1. The second one is 2 over 4, which is 1 over 2. Now, just I would like to write the solution here for you to see better. Now, yeah, let's look at here for the first one. Then, now, don't forget, what does the slope mean? Slope means rise over run. Don't forget. Rise over run. This means slope. This means gradient. This means tangent. This means rate of change. Rate of change. Don't forget, all these have the same meaning. Don't forget, all of them are the same meaning. Let's look at this first question and second question A. The first question A, rise over run. It was -4 over 4, which is -1. The second one will be again the same thing, rise over run. It will be 2 over 4, which will be 1 over 2. I hope you are getting what I mean. Always you should check the change in x, change in y. Okay? The change in x, change in y. How much you move on x, how much you move on y. That's important. And you need to be careful about the direction. Okay? Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and please inform your friends about this video. And yeah, thank you very much for your listening.